I'm Geordie Williamson. I'm a Professor of Mathematics and Director of the University of Sydney Mathematical Research Institute. My core interest is in representation theory, which is the study of symmetry, but I'm also very interested in pure maths more broadly and also interested in some aspects of computing and machine learning. In physics, there's this basic idea which emerged in the 20th century that you have some set of symmetries. For example, physical law is symmetric under translations in time. Those set of symmetries already determine everything about the system. And I'm investigating what symmetry can tell us in a whole lot of different mathematical situations. I'm just really interested in what problems we can attack via these means, particularly in the use of large-scale computing and machine learning to attack problems in pure maths. We mathematicians are extremely collaborative. We're always talking, bouncing ideas off each other, and most of my big breakthroughs have come in collaboration with colleagues around the world. I'm really happy that mathematics is being recognised. I think mathematics needs visibility in society. We need to know maths is important, and that's why I see these prizes important.